So good afternoon, crap to cream, top shed. Now finished the installation of the track corrected rear axle, the rock boxes and the 2-inch lift kit. So that's all, it's all finished now. So I thought I'd just show you before I put the wheels back on again. So I'll put the new shocks on now. The part that I thought was going to be one of the easiest parts turned out to be one of the hardest parts, and that was the tank fill. I managed to utilize the old tank filler neck, which you can see here. So I had to cut this rail here, had to cut the rail here, and it's now at an appropriate angle. I had to cut in here, and then I've bent that up because it was too high and it was hitting that. I had to make up two spaces to hold this, two 10mm spaces to hold this away from this, the box. And then inside I had to get a new piece of pipe. I had to cut this, a support bracket on the chassis, because it was interfering with the pipe. It was resting on it, and I could have left it, but it would then have worn into the pipe. I used the original elbow, 90-degree elbow and clips, but I had to buy some new 2-inch rubber hose to connect the tank fill pipe, the hard pipe, to the elbow, and I put a stainless steel pipe in the middle there. So I cut the rubber hose here 400mm long, and then the stainless steel pipe that's in here has roughly 25mm on either side to allow for a bit of movement to make sure I got the alignment right with the tank. So that's all done now. Nothing hits anything. I also had to hack away a bit at the chassis. At the tray support, which maybe you can see up here, just in here. I had to take 6mm off the side of that gusset so that the pipe didn't hit it. Hopefully you can see everything there, how it's all set up. So that's the original filler neck from when it was didn't have the boxes on, and it just used to come out to the side here, where it used to come out here. So I've had obviously had to do some shopping, but everything's finished now. Everything's all bolted up. It's all ready to go. Remember to put the grease nipple back in the prop shaft, drive shaft, tail shaft, whatever. Just got to put the wheels back on now, and then I'll put it back on the floor and then see what it sits like. So yeah, but apart from that, yeah, it's all good. This was just a quick follow-up video of the finished job, and if anybody has any questions or anything asking about how it all went, or anything else they need to know about installing one of these axles, either putting the lock boxes on or the 2-inch lift, then please just get in touch in the comments. I don't think there's anything else. Alright, so yeah, if you decide to do this, it's relatively straightforward. The hardest part being the tank fill and getting that to work. I really thought I would have some serious problems there. Obviously I still haven't tried it with the tank filling, but it's a lot easier to get to now than it was originally, because originally I had the rail in here and I had to feed the nozzle in through the top here, and it was messy to say the least. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much indeed. Have a nice weekend. Thank you for subscribers and comments and followers and all that stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Gratefully received. And I'll catch you when I move back onto the next job. Bye for now.